Schoology by Tekiela Gallagher. Introduction. While Microsoft Teams has been useful for the immediate need to stand up a virtual learning environment, it has many shortfalls, not being a true learning management system. For this reason, Edgewood Independent School District employed instructional technologists to research a true online learning management system capable of handling the needs of the school district. One of the LMSs looked at was Schoology. Planning Technology Initiatives. The current virtual platform is not a true learning management system, so the district had to consider the cost of other LMSs. However, TEA paid for Texas District Schoology, making the cost for the current year a non-issue, but it is to be considered if the district chooses to stay with this LMS in the future. Current software applications have already been allotted for it in the yearly budget, so it is a matter of ensuring they are compatible with Schoology. We identified a timeline for milestones to be reached and implementation of the program. Based on the timelines, we coordinated technology and integration for training. Determining technology needs. A needs assessment survey was conducted by instructional technologists. We gathered information and feedback from teachers and administrative leaders in other districts that already implemented Schoology and developed a list of pros and cons of the system from these districts. Next, we confirmed functionality and compatibility with our current software and further reviewed compatibility with Microsoft, Texas Gradebook, and other applications we already use, such as Seesaw and Nearpod. Implementing technology solutions. Instructional technologists built mock classrooms and incorporated current software applications already in use in Schoology LMS to test compatibility. This helped factor in the cost consideration in the event current applications were not compatible with this LMS. Lastly, we engaged the instructional coaches to review functional specifications, and this enabled instructional technologists to troubleshoot more in depth from a teacher point of view alongside the instructional coaches. Implementing technology needs. The implementation team selected to implement technology needs were the same members chosen to assess technology solutions. The district administration selected the Director of Instructional Technology and the Data Software Coordinator to be managers over the implementation. They both, in turn, selected instructional technology teachers to work the front end of the system and data specialist team to work the back end of implementing technology needs. Safeguarding technology. Security recommendations from the technology coordinator, working hand in hand with district technology department to ensure security initiatives were met for hardware and software. They identified assets on hand and assets needed for students, staff, and the technology department. They then analyzed vulnerabilities and developed countermeasures to the possible scenarios. After reviewing safeguarding procedures, the team next moved towards outlining maintenance and support of the technology. Power Schools will be responsible for updating the firmware and pushing that firmware to districts as they are the owner of Schoology. District-level data technologists will be responsible for pushing those software updates to student and staff devices, as well as a second-level diagnostic point of contact for software issues. District-level instructional technologists will serve as first-level diagnostic point of contacts for software issues, as well as provide first-level support services to staff and students. Training for technology. Training on Schoology technology was provided in a train-to-trainer fashion. The project team was trained by Schoology. The project team then trained the instructional coaches. Lastly, the project team and instructional coaches will train all teachers and paraprofessionals in the district. Integrating technology. Integrating the technology is being completed as a targeted implementation release. The technology was first released to instructional coaches in fall of school year 2021. The next targeted release is winter school year 2021 to teachers who have had prior experience using Schoology. The last integration will be as a district-wide training in spring of 2021 and implementation in fall of school year 21-22. Although the technology implementation plan is complete after this portion, instructional technology teachers will have to continue reviewing processes to ensure sustainment.